Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to teach you how to clean and repair your zippo. Everything's for free. Okay, here I have my zippo, one of the three I have. So first you need to take out the mechanism. Once you have the mechanism out, you'll need to take this screw out. You can take it with your hand. Here is where the flint comes. My doesn't have flint, so I'll take out this. So I'll put it here. Now I could take this, the cover cotton that's over here. Yeah. I think this zippo has been never opened. The cotton is the original. So I'll take the cotton out. This is gonna be a full cleaning, so I'm gonna take all the cotton out, all of it. Now I'm gonna take if you can see there's the the wick, yeah. So I take it out, and now here in this bowl I'll put a little bit of zippo fluid for cleaning. So I'll put a little bit of zippo fluid here or here. And now I'm going to take my toothbrush and pass it through to the gas. Directly I can put one. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take this close, and first I'm gonna brush the chimney and all the parts. The zippos are one of my favorite lighters because really I don't like them too much, but they're really good. I can make tricks. I can do plenty of things with them. That's why I like them a lot. It's very dirty over there. Also, I can take some of the rust and everything of the chimney with a pair of scissors. It looks very dirty over there. Yeah, I could take a lot over there. I could put some gas on there and clean it with this one. Okay, that's it. Okay, now it's an empty zippo. It doesn't have wick, doesn't have cotton, just this little that I could not take. Now I'm gonna take first that I think I clean it. It's very good. I'm gonna take out from this lighter, my old lighter, still have gas, the spark, the flint, sorry. So I'm gonna take this cover out. And now you have to be careful taking out the flint. Yeah. Now I take it out. Like it have this spring. Sometimes they fly away. No. So it's over here. it's really small, is black, not as Zippo's original flint that are gold colored. So I'll put it right here in the top of the zipper box for not losing it. Now I'm gonna pass out to the wick. I'm gonna cut this part that is a barnet. I'm gonna take a good pair of scissors. I'm gonna, yeah, and I'm gonna take all the barnet piece. Yeah. Now that I have the new, not the new, the reconstructed wick, I'll put it inside the zippo again. I could put it this way. Oh, but it's better to put it down to in. Okay. Here. It's a little bit hard sometimes. Another trick is put it upside down. I'll try to. And now I can take this pair and take it. Yeah. It's in. For regulating the fire that you want in your zippo, you can take out the wick or you can let it in. I don't want it too much, so I'm gonna put this. I'll cut this because it's not necessary. That's like a. So I take my scissors. Yeah, that's it. Now for the good, the wick has to be as an S. So first I'm gonna take my cotton. Remember that the more cotton you put in, the more gas that the zippo will handle. So I recommend to put all the cotton in. You can take also your pair of scissors and start taking it down. I'm gonna make the S right now with the wick. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put this one. Yep. And now I'm gonna put the last piece of cotton. Yeah. Yep, now I'm gonna put the last part here. It's not good compressed. The cotton is not good compressed. I'm gonna take my and compress it as more as I can. Now that I have it compressed, I can take the last part of cotton and put it right in top. Yep. Now the flint that we removed out of the old normal lighter. This is you can make this trying, yeah, because sometimes you don't know at what side they will make the fire. So I'm gonna sprinkle it out. And I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna put it. Now, let's see. It doesn't move, so we need to take it out and try again. It doesn't matter. It will work. And it's a cheap solution. So whenever you have an empty lighter, you can, yeah, you see, sparks. You can change the spark for this. Now that I have it ready, yeah, probably I can take this last part of Yep, I have it ready. I could maintenance the back cover. You can take this a little twisters and you put pressure over here, because you see it's really, have make tricks with this, it's really not too good over there. So you can take, first you can make pressure out here, yeah, here, here again, and now outside. Now it doesn't move a lot. Now I just take the lighter, put it out first to put the gas on the lighter. I don't recommend to fully upload it, because it will start throwing gas to the chimney. So as you can see, they are the best. So now I could put it over here, and I put a little bit of gas in the wick, and it lights. So this was my video. Please subscribe, give thumb up, and wait for more videos. Thank you.